2022 has been the worst year for the stock market since 2008, with the S&P 500 running at its lowest, amongst other stocks being affected by the likes of Elon Musk. Everyone in this world is wondering right now, should we continue investing in the stock market? What holds the future for my stocks? And well, what are we going to do? There's only one answer for that, and we'll answer it in today's video. Hello, my name is Oliver Beluzik and welcome to my financial portfolio here on YouTube. On this channel we discuss all sorts of topics involving the stock markets, debts, etc, for the real life person as I go through my day-to-day things involving finance. Now, from one person to another, today we're going to be talking about the issues with the stock market. But before we get into it, please make sure to smash the like button to help my video out in the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel if you are new because, well, we're going to be covering this all year, baby. Oh yeah. Last year, 2022, there were so many issues in this world financially. I myself has been wrapped up into some of them with renting this new house. Not new, but it's a house that I've had to rent, and because of the rental market, I'm renting at an extreme price compared to what it would have been a couple of years ago. I've been affected by these sorts of things. Now, the stock market is something that I religiously invest in every single month without failure. For a while, I was investing £400 a month, every single month without failure. However, a few months ago, I actually upgraded that to £650 a month, every single month. I have £300 each in two separate pies. Now, pies is like lots of slices of companies, and these are 50 companies in each, although I did remove 3M recently and change it with more PepsiCo. And I invest £50 a month into a separate one for my son. Now, I invest £650 of my hard-earned cash into the stock market, and with 2022 being at its lowest, yes, I have seen the downfall in my stock portfolio. Now, in the second quarter of 2022, my personal stock portfolio was running about a 16% increase, which is absolutely amazing. However, I have it up on my phone right now, and I'm running at currently a 2.54%. Well, that's awful. That is absolutely dreadful for my portfolio. What am I going to do? Am I going to start pulling all of my stocks out of the market? No, not at all. In fact, I am amazed there are videos online telling you to pull your stocks out of the stock market. Like, why would you do that? And I'll give you one reason why. If last year has been the worst year for the market since 2008, then you would only assume that this year is going to be better. Because a lot of people are looking at this 2023 as the 2020 they missed out upon, which means not only will this be a good year for investments, AI, property, etc, it's going to be a good year for you, because if you don't already have a stock portfolio, I highly recommend it. In fact, there's a link in the description below to a platform called Trading 212, which I use, and I highly recommend it. This isn't a sponsored video from them not at all. It's just a platform that I've found easy to use for someone who's getting into the stock market. And now I've been in the stock market for a few years, but I'm not going to suddenly pull everything out, because even if I'm running at only 2%, as I showed you earlier, that is still better than a bank. My bank rate is 0.02% or something absurd like that. I'm not 100% sure, because I don't really keep savings in the bank. No, I keep it all in the stock market because that is the best thing I could possibly do, and I'm going to continue pushing my portfolio forwards this 2023, and I highly recommend everyone to do the same. Yes, there is a chance that you could be in a minus for a bit. My partner's portfolio and my portfolio at one point were in minuses, but then it comes back. Every time, it comes back. Now, yes, it probably would be wise for me to make a video on the stock market and my personal portfolio, so that is something that will be released at a later date. In fact, I'm going to show you how to use Trading 212 and things like that, because that is what I use. I want you guys to use exactly what I use, because I'm not going to put myself into debt. No way. I'm not a sponsor. I'm not going to be someone who's showing you a platform that I don't use. I have personally used Trading 212 and Robinhood. I've got a side investment with someone in Robinhood. As for my personal portfolio, I plan to make millions out of this. So there's no chance I'm going to be pulling it out anytime soon. And yes, if the market becomes dire at the end of the year, come back, comment on this video, you were wrong, and I will tell you exactly how much profit I have made, because every single day, I get dividends. and that dividend adds up, and that dividend automatically gets reinvested into the portfolio. So no matter how much money I've put in, I'm always getting money out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not pull out the stock market. In fact, if I could give you one stock to focus on this year, would be PepsiCo. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Oliver, and this has been my financial portfolio. I'd like to introduce you to my background, which is my kitchen in my new house. And I'll be doing a video on rental prices where I live and stupid things like that, because it's expensive. Goodbye.
The end. Like this video!